Good morning. This is the day the Lord has made, and I rejoice and I am glad to be making this video today. Given all the events of January 2020, I hope everyone can take the time to be grateful to be alive and to be watching my video right now, to be at work, be at home with your family. It's amazing. So today I'm here to talk about the Trump administration travel ban. Before I begin, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Ife Akiakanam. I'm an immigration and business attorney licensed in DC. If you want to know more about me, please check out my website, immigrationattorneyife.com. So, for the sake of time, I'm going to be leaving out some information in this video. I'm just going to briefly give a summary of the things I know, what I've learned so far, and you can, through my website, reach out to me and I'll be able to send you more information or answer your questions or talk with you if you would like. So, and also remember that everything I share on this page is just my opinions for educational purposes and not legal advice. So please contact your immigration attorney with any questions you may have, and they can be able to answer your questions based on your situation because everything is different. Okay, so back to the travel ban. On Friday, the Trump administration added 6 new countries to the travel ban that was published in 2017. And so now there are about 13 countries on the travel ban. And naturally, you know, everyone's like concerned, how does this affect me and what does this mean for me? So I'm going to attempt to answer a few of your questions I've already received, and if you have any further questions after watching this video, please don't hesitate to contact me via my website, immigrationattorneyife.com. So, okay, anyways, back to travel ban. So, the travel ban is just a restriction on certain countries from entering or immigrating into the United States. So the rationale is pretty much to protect the United States from terrorism and all this stuff that that they're afraid of. So based on investigations and things that have been going on in the background, they decided to restrict certain countries, including like Nigeria, Sudan, Tanzania, and several others. So if you want to know more, again, like I said, reach out to me on my website and I'll be able to give you my notes or talk with you about if your country is on the list of the travel ban and how it's going to affect you. So today I'm going to specifically talk about Nigeria. Naturally, I'm Nigerian and I'm concerned about how this rule affects my family, and I've received a lot of questions. Most of my clients are Nigerian and they want to know, how does this ban affect them? I'm going to talk in 2 parts. I'm going to talk about Nigerians in Nigeria, and then I'm going to talk about Nigerians in the US. So, under this new rule, Nigerians in Nigeria can still obtain non-immigrant visas like student visas or B visitor travel visas. So if you have been coming into the U.S. with these types of visas, if you're a student, you should still be able to apply and get these visas under this new rule. However, for immigrant visas such as the fiancé visa or the spousal visa of U.S. citizens, those types of visas are immigrant visas that are restricted now. So in order to find out how this affects you, again, contact your immigration attorney to see whether whatever process you're applying for or you want to apply for falls under the immigrant visa category. Again, reach out to me and I can give you this information as well. If you are already in the process, let's say you already filed your K1 visa, the fiancé visa, or the F3 category that is relative of a U.S. citizen, or the CR1, which is a spouse of a U.S. citizen, which is different. Maybe you've been waiting for a couple years, sometimes 8 to 13 years, and you still haven't gotten it yet. You might want to talk with your lawyer about the process and how this new rule affects you. I'm not sure if, this is maybe a rule for people who are just new, who are going to start from here on out, and then the rest of the people who are already in the process can just, go through. I don't know. So it's still under speculation. Don't quote me on that. This is not legal advice, like I said. I'm just trying to make sense of it all and answer as many questions as I can. So, so if you've been in the process already, it's heartbreaking to wait for so long and then maybe now be disqualified. So it's really something important that you want to talk with your attorney about. And then for Nigerians who are in the U.S., who maybe entered in on a non-immigrant visa, like a visitor's visa or a student visa, and now you're wishing to adjust your status, the rule may or may not apply to you. It just depends. So from my opinion, I think that the process of adjusting your status, which is the process of getting a green card while in the U.S., is a little bit different from the process of getting a green card while in Nigeria. So that being said, I would assume that the process of adjusting your status wouldn't be under this restriction because you're already here and you've already been fingerprinted in some respect and you're already in the system and they kind of have some information about you. So possibly if you're a Nigerian, a national of Nigeria, your passport is Nigeria and you're applying for immigration benefit as a Nigerian, you may not be affected by this if you're already in the U.S. So, but like I said, again, ask your immigration attorney. It's very important that you speak to your immigration attorney about your case because it varies case to case. So, anyways, so as I find out more information, I will be more than happy to answer them for you and provide them for you and answer any of your questions. So feel free to contact me on my website. You can reach me through WhatsApp. You can get in touch with me. It goes straight to my email, so I'll be able to see that. Just let me know what your questions are, your concerns. Let me know your current immigration status and your country of origin, or what your passport says and all that stuff. And so we can go from there. So, and always, if you haven't followed me on social media at Immigration Attorney Ify, please do so and share my videos with your friends, family, anyone who you think will benefit from it. And I'm happy to be your attorney. So, yeah. What else? If all hearts and minds are clear, I'm going to end the video now and, ask me about my drumsticks if you want to know about that, and I'll talk to you later. And remember to stay grateful and be happy always and live your best life, okay? Thanks. Bye.